Hello students, today we will discuss a paragraph on a visit to historical place. India is a country of rich culture and has centuries of history and tradition of its own. So our country is full of rich places which are important historically, economically, politically or sociologically. Moreover, the diversity that it presents baffles many due to geographical, social, and cultural variety. There are many historic buildings in India. Thus, India attracts thousands of tourists from all around the globe. Most of these buildings are situated in Agra and Delhi. Last month, we got an opportunity to visit Delhi. It is a prominent historical city. We visited historical places in and around Delhi. First, we went to Rajghat and paid our homage to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Then we visited Vijay Ghat, Shanti Van, and Shakti Sthal. Then we saw the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, the Qutub Minar, and the India Gate. The guide told us about every building in detail. The next day, we visited Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Parliament House. On the third day, we had rounds of the markets of Delhi. Thus, we spent 3 days. At the end of the journey, I wrote my experiences in a diary. It was a pleasant and vibrant tour of my life. Last Sunday, I had a chance to visit Agra with my family. I was pleased about this trip because Agra has been a great center for art and architecture since the Mughal period. Agra is a city of cultural and historical importance. First, we went to visit the Lal Killa. Akbar built a magnificent fortress of rust colored sandstone in 1565 AD. This fort of Agra is also known as Lal Killa. According to historian Abul Fazl, the fort has 500 buildings. These buildings are an excellent example of Bengali and Gujarati architecture. However, only a few buildings still exist today. The fort stands on the bank of the river Yamuna with double walls to protect it. These walls are very high. The fort has four gates. Presently, entry to the fort is allowed through the south gate of the fortress called the Amar Singh Rathod Gate. Just outside the entrance is a stone statue of a horse head built by Amar Singh Rathod of Jodhpur in remembrance of his faithful horse that had jumped the fort walls and lost its leg, save its master. The gate on the west side of the fort is called the Delhi Gate, at whose entrance are the famous statues of Jaimal and Patta, who had laid down their lives fighting for Akbar. Right behind is Akbar's majestic palace, the roof and floor made of red stone. The Diwani arm of the palace was the place where he held his darbar and dispensed justice. We also saw the Diwani Khas and the Machli Bhavan. Close to the Diwani arm is the Meena Bazaar. To the west is the building of a very curious kind of a hide and seek structure. The visit to Lal Killa was quite memorable. Now we will discuss about the visit to Taj Mahal. Last Sunday we went to see the Taj Mahal on the banks of the river Yamuna. It indeed is a wonder of the world as it is beyond any description. Words would fall short of describing this symbol of eternal love. It is beautifully decorated with precious and carved stones. It is built in the memory of Shah Jahan, beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. The actual tomb of the queen lies in a small room downstairs made of white and black marble. Scriptures and verses from the Quran are engraved on the walls and lovely floral designs and different colored carved precious stones. Its overall architectural brilliance is still a question for modern builders and architects. They got amazed to see the Taj Mahal's complete roof plan when technology was not that advanced. Its extraordinary beauty also made us utter Wah Taj. However, just one thing that pinched me was how recklessly people had ruined this historic beauty, but our government has taken the right step at the right time by relocating the factories far from the Taj Mahal. It was thus an overall enriching and enlightening experience to visit these places. It is a dream in marble. A thousand of poets have attempted to describe it in many ways. One gets speechless on seeing these incredible spectacles of marble. It was an extremely mesmerizing trip. Since then, Agra has become my favorite destination to spend my vacations. I'm now eagerly waiting for another chance to visit Agra. So I hope now you can write a paragraph on a visit to historical place. It may be about Delhi, it may be about Agra, it may be about Lal Killa or Taj Mahal. Thank you.